Hi friends, today we are going to prepare soft and fluffy idli. This is a complete tutorial, so please watch until the end. First, we soak the main ingredients. This is regular rice. Add 2 cups of regular rice into a container. Rinse it twice, then fill the bowl with water. Take 1 cup of urid dhal or ulunthu. Now add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to the urid dhal. This helps with the fermentation process. Rinse it twice with water. Add enough water to cover the lentils. Soak for at least 6 hours or overnight. After soaking, rinse the rice and urid dhal again separately and drain the water. Then add 1 cup of cooled rice to the urid dhal. We will grind them separately. First, grind the rice. Add only a little water for grinding. The rice batter should be thick. If it is too watery, the idli will turn out soggy. The rice only needs to be ground for 30 seconds to 1 minute. The texture should be slightly coarse. Pour the rice batter into a glass bowl. Next, grind the urid dhal. Add water little by little. The urid dhal batter must be smooth and thick. Grind for about 2 minutes to get a very smooth and fluffy batter. Can you see the difference in the urid dhal batter after grinding it well? It looks fluffy, right? Add the urid dhal batter into the rice batter. Mix the batter using clean hands for 2 to 3 minutes. This step is very important to incorporate air. Cover the bowl and allow the batter to ferment in a warm place for about 8 hours or overnight. It should be well fermented like this. Add 1 teaspoon or more salt to taste and mix gently without breaking the air bubbles. Lightly grease the idli molds with cooking oil. Pour batter into each idli mold. Fill water into the idli steamer. Place the idli molds into the steamer. This type of steamer has 3 tiers, so you can make 18 idlis at one time. Steam for about 15 minutes over high heat. The time is counted from when the water starts boiling. Do not remove the idlis immediately after steaming. It is best to leave them for another 10 minutes in the steamer after turning off the heat. Then remove the idli trays. Let the idlis cool for another 10 to 15 minutes. Only then will the idlis be easy to remove and not stick to the mold. Use a plastic spatula like this to easily remove the idlis from the mold. You can serve the idlis with dal curry and coconut chutney. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. Please tag me if you try this recipe. Happy cooking!